Ethical hacking and penetration testing, strengthening your digital defenses. Narrator, voiceover. In the digital world, data breaches are a constant threat. But with ethical hacking and penetration testing, we can fortify our defenses. Let's dive in. Narrator, voiceover. A data breach is unauthorized access to sensitive data, leading to financial loss, reputation damage, and legal liabilities. Narrator, voiceover. Data breaches can result in financial losses, tarnish a company's reputation, and lead to legal consequences. Narrator, voiceover. Effective incident response includes detection, containment, communication, forensic investigation, data recovery, and seeking legal counsel. Narrator, voiceover. Damage control is crucial. Patch vulnerabilities, enhance security measures, train employees, and document the incident. Narrator, voiceover. Prevention is key. Establish strong security policies, conduct regular audits, foster cybersecurity awareness, and continuously monitor your systems. Narrator, voiceover. In conclusion, data breaches are a threat, but with ethical hacking and penetration testing, we can mitigate their impact. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on cybersecurity.